Okay, so this video is going to talk about the evolutionary cycle, and I will show you the evolutionary cycle in this photo right now. So basically, in this photo, you can see a white man eating a green crocodile. The green crocodile is eating a black man, and the black man is eating, like, it looks like a purple hippopotamus. I honestly don't know what that is. So, is this the correct evolutionary cycle? You can't know. Scientists are still answering these questions today. They do not know if this is a real evolutionary cycle or if this is just a man-made. I don't even know what they would make this at a beach, but yeah, I don't know if this is real, and scientists don't know if it's real. They're still trying to get those answers today. This could very easily be a fake monument, but I think this is a true monument of culture, and this was spawned here by Mother Earth because this is not fake. This is a real evolutionary cycle. At first, there were white men taking over the world, and then the white men ate crocodiles, and that's why you tell me this, and in the comments, do you see crocodiles around your house? Because I'm sure you don't, because this is the evolutionary cycle, and this shows how white people eat crocodiles. That's why you don't see crocodiles around. And black people, you do see a lot of black people because there's no crocodiles. Since there's no crocodiles, there should be a lot of black people because crocodiles eat the black people. So all we know right now is that there's white people and black people, and they don't eat each other. But the black person eats the hippopotamus. And if you look around you, there's no hippopotamuses around you either. So this shows how humans are the people who take over. This is why animals such as green crocodiles and purple hippopotamuses are not surrounding your house or anywhere. The only place where you could see these animals is probably at a zoo because they keep them in the cage where humans cannot interact and kill them. Now, in this evolution cycle, there is an animal that is not included that would probably be somewhere in between hippopotamus and crocodile. It would be the elephant. Now, the elephant is hunted a lot because humans love their tusks. So, the elephant would probably be after white man, and elephants don't eat black people. So the thing is, would the elephant fit in this cycle? That is the question I want to ask you. Do you think the elephant would fit in this evolutionary cycle, or is it by itself in another evolutionary cycle? Please answer this question in the comments below, and no, I do not have a dead channel. I am gaining subs for sure. Just don't check Social Blade. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, answer my question. You can rewind back. I asked you, do you think the elephant fits in this evolutionary cycle? Also, is this a real beach? Because I don't know why they would build this. Why would Mother Earth build this in a beach where there's like kids? There's really a kid in the background. It looks like there's two white men high-fiving in the background. That just shows how this cycle is true. Okay, answer my question, and I'll definitely read your questions. Don't worry, I'll answer your questions. Wait, what? I'm not gonna ask you questions. Just answer my question. Do you think the elephant fits here? If it does, then you gotta say why. If it doesn't, then say why. It's like one of those test questions. I'm just gonna ask you, do you think the elephant fits in this evolutionary cycle? And I'm gonna say why not. So yeah, answer the question. I will read your answer in the comments, and the one that makes the most sense, I will read in the next video and give you a shout out to. So yeah, answer the question and you might get a shout out. Bye guys, see you next video.